Welcome back to Trade with CJ. Today we have another update on HCMC. This company has been an absolute roller coaster to be a part of, and yeah, I've been giving you guys all of the updates. I am a shareholder in HCMC. It is one of my smallest positions out there, but nevertheless, I know this is a favorite amongst many of you, so I'm giving you the updates. And of course, I am interested as well. I have a position in this company and I want it to do well so that we can make some crazy gains. So let's talk about HCMC. It's been on a bit of a roller coaster ride as of the last month or so. We had the lead up to the lawsuit response from Philip Morris, where they filed a motion to dismiss. We're still currently waiting on the judge to give his ruling on that. We're hoping to hear from that. We should hear with any time within the next week on that, okay, which could be another catalyst for this company going forward. We're expecting him to deny the motion to dismiss. So yeah, we've got that to come in the next week, and then we have to wait for another response there from HCMC as well. So that's what's coming up with that. However, what this is about today is the earnings that have been reported. But before we get into all of this, if you could smash the like and subscribe to my channel, that really is appreciated. We also have a Discord with over 3,100 members now, which is completely free to join, and a very popular HCMC chat. And yeah, there's a great bunch of investors on there posting amazing information every single day. Feel free to join our community as well, guys. So let's get into this, okay? HCMC. We're going to go through these earnings first. Now, this is quite a short earnings report. Normally these could be, lots and lots of things going on right here. It's pretty short, but they have reported their fourth quarter 2020 financial results and their full year fiscal 2020 results. So first off here, I've got to say from the outset, they are not amazing. I don't think anyone expected these to be amazing, but I also don't think anybody invested into HCMC because of this potential report, okay, or potential earnings. We know of the outset, most people have invested into HCMC because of the lawsuit. But nevertheless, we're going to give you all the information around this company. So we're going to get into this. The net sales from continued operations ended on December the 31st. That was their full year. And that amounted to 13.9 million compared to 15.1 million the year before. So that's slightly down there, 1.2 million. The gross profit from continued operations also decreased, 0.7 million, which resulted in a year-end amount of 5.8 compared to 6.5 million for the same period last year. And then we've got the operating expenses, which are also decreased 16% in the fourth quarter versus the prior year. And for the year ending December the 31st, so bear in mind we have had a couple more months of operations since, but this is from December the 31st here, the operating expenses as a percentage of sales also decreased 6%, reflecting continued reduction of corporate administrative expenses. So the operating expenses have gone down, and they say that is because of the administrative expenses, okay? But this is good news here. Adjusted EBITDA for the 12 months, it ended in 2020, which actually improved by 0.5 million compared to the prior year. So the EBITDA has gone up, the expenses have gone down. However, the sales are going down and the gross profit has gone down as well. Not the most amazing results out there. Let's see what Jeffrey Holman says here, the CEO of HCMC. He actually says, "We are delighted with our performance in the fourth quarter and especially proud of the improvement in our adjusted EBITDA for the year, especially given the COVID-related challenges our sector faced." So they've used the COVID reason here for this, which is probably to be expected, okay? Although we have seen a lot of companies out there who are actually in a similar sector reporting pretty good earnings. So I don't necessarily buy that as a reason. However, it is an easy one to fall back on. I guess over time we're going to see if these numbers start improving. But like we've said, this for me is not a company that I'm holding, purely on the basis of their growth without a lawsuit. If this lawsuit didn't exist, I wouldn't be holding this company, as are probably most investors in this one, okay? So these financial results give us an indication of how they're actually doing. Could this survive without this potential lawsuit? Could we actually hold on to this if things don't go the way we want, etc.? It's definitely a good indicator. Mr. Holman also continued here saying, despite the lower net sales, volume by $1.2 million due in large part of the pandemic, our team's ability to reinvent the way in which we do business on many levels and actually improve our EBITDA by $500,000 year on year is a testament to the culture and hard work and dedication that we have fostered over the past 13 years. So he's very proud of his team right here, and they're saying, that this is a testament to them. He generally seems quite proud of these results. He says the team has continued to execute on the strategic vision for our company. We remain focused to our commitment to improve the fundamentals of the business, expand our business lines, and continue our endeavors to enforce our IP rights against infringers upon a patent suite that has taken the better part of a decade to build. That is the key line in this, okay? So he is actually addressing this. We haven't really heard much from HCMC regarding this patent infringement by Philip Morris for quite a while. So it's good to actually know that they're still undergoing it. Just to retouch on that, he says here, we are continuing our endeavours to enforce our IP rights against infringers upon a patent that we have taken the best part of a decade to build. So they are very firm believers that it has been infringed. They're standing by that regarding everything that's gone on and the motion to dismiss, which is good news to just have something in this, okay? Well, maybe we would have liked a bit more about what's going on, but this is, at the end of the day, this is their financial results. You know, we may get something more about this in the next week or two. So that's the results right there. I've already said this a couple of times, but I don't think many of us were in this one on the basis of these potential results coming out. And I also don't think, good or bad, it's going to move the stock too much, okay? Because right now, companies are putting out amazing results and are still going down. The market is in a very weird time. With saying that, HCMC has actually been on a bit of an okay run this week. We actually saw this drop off quite substantially around about Wednesday. This actually went down to 0.0090, which was for the first time since speaking about this company, I was actually in the red. At one point, I was up about 470% on HCMC. Incredible gains. I remember I bought in this one. My price is 0.0010. I haven't added since, and I bought in that about 5-6 weeks ago, something like that, okay? And yeah, I finally went down to the red, and I should have bought more, but it didn't last very long. We went straight back up, okay? We're currently at 0.0015. My strategy with this one, as I've said numerous times, I didn't plan on adding any more. I was happy to leave this. It is one of my smallest positions. However, what I will say now is, as we do see the next couple of weeks pan out, if this does ever drop down to below my average price again, which would be the 0.9, then I would probably add another bit to this. I'm still not going to keep it as a massive position. It's still going to be a relatively small position in my overall portfolio. But I am considering potentially adding if we do get around about my average or below. So that's my strategy with this one. I'm not sure it will get there, but right now, anything is possible in the market. We have a lot of exciting things coming up. These financials, let's see how they affect it on Monday. I can't see it affecting it too much, but also we should be getting this ruling from the judge very, very soon regarding the motion to dismiss. So yeah, just a quick update today, guys. Let me know your thoughts on these financial results. Does it change any of your position in this company? I can't imagine it would in many situations, but yeah. Also, are you still holding HCMC? Have you added on any of these dips? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this and you appreciate it, please go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to my channel. That really is appreciated as well. Helps get this out to more and more investors. And yeah, thanks for watching. Until next time.